After the holidays, we've all got toilet paper rolls lying around. Why not upcycle them into a toy rocket? Start by cutting a strip of paper the same width as the toilet paper roll. The longer the better, so you can loop it around a few times. Actually, this is super simple toy, and it's quite stiff to play with since we're using TP roll as a base. Your kids won't squish it in half a second. Well, maybe the tip is a bit weaker, but just use duct tape. It's easiest to decorate the body right now. Cut a few strips. Pro move is to use sticky paper, but any colourful paper works. You'll just have to glue it on. Don't forget the little windows, or portholes, or whatever you call them. Makes the rocket way more interesting. You could even add some NASA letters on the side, but I'll skip that to dodge any copyright issues. All right, let's tackle the fiddliest bit, the top of the rocket. It has to be pointy, so start by cutting a circle. Then slice it in half. Don't even bother with glue. Use duct tape. It'll hold. It's a bit fiddly, but you can use a pencil to reach in from the bottom and press that duct tape down good. This rocket is held together with duct tape and dreams, but it's still pretty awesome. I'm going to decorate it a bit more. Now for the fins. Cut 3 matching C shapes. Then slice into the bottom of the rocket so you can push the fins through. And just like that, it stands on its own. Pretty cool toy for kids to play with, or even adults whose dreams of becoming astronauts didn't quite come to fruition. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you watched the whole thing.